This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. PD just landed on the hood. I'm early today because it looks like there's a storm coming. It could blow by and maybe it won't. Also, it's good to shake it up and come at different times. The Häfele people are in here. Oh my gosh. What did he put on the field? The farmer. Cow manure. Oh my gosh. All I have is my little plastic shoes. Well, at least I can wash them. I'm going to walk up the side and I think they're little pigeons. There are going to be a lot more people around at this time of the day, but it can't be helped. I don't want to come out here and there's lightning and hailing. Good possibility you'll get hail today. Here, Petey. There you go, Petey. We'll put some... There's Seymour. Yeah, that's why the crows are all over the field. Oh my God, that smells rancid. I guess he really thinks it's going to rain today. I guess he really thinks it's going to rain. Oh my God, look at him cutting down those bushes. Cutting down the hedge around those bushes. That's where the sparrows live. They just can't do enough evil things around here. And now they have to take the little bit of habitat that the sparrows have and look down the street and look how short they cut those bushes. I can't get over it. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that. And all the years I've been here, I've never seen them cut the bushes down that low. Because they don't want the birds here. They don't want them here. Oh my God. It just never ceases to amaze me. Poor Petey. Poor Petey and friends. And it's so hot. I mean, it's these hedgerows that the sparrows need, okay? Well, we have a person cleaning the church over there, but yeah, let's get down to business. Oh my God, this smells disgusting, and it's so unhealthy. He put it right to the end here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that, disgusting, dangerous for your lungs and central nervous system. Can you believe that? Look at this. Yeah, let's look at the Häfele people here. They're waving. Let's say, oh, look, she's got to walk through the poo. Well, I'm going to tiptoe around it, okay? But I have to say, it just never ceases to amaze me how they hate these birds. I mean, those hedges have been down there in the parking lot for as long as I've been living here, 13 some years. Look at this disgusting crap. Okay? Yeah. The one good thing is I do have my plastic shoes on and I can wash them. And I'm going to wash them in the and sterilize them in the laundry. But anyway, it's really, really amazing. So, you may have to get rid of this bag because I have to set it down. But it's just, it's absolutely disgusting. What I don't do to feed the birds, okay? Would you guys walk through this? I don't know. It's pretty bad. But I guess the farmer thinks there's going to get rain, because otherwise this burns the soil. So yeah, so we'll go between like this. I just can't believe it. You know, it could be my lung problems is due to this disgusting crap, okay? By the way, the Häfele people there are throwing firecrackers out. And this video I will take to the police for harassing the birds. And you just heard it. Yeah, you wave. I'm taking this to the police, okay? This time you're not going to get off with your shenanigans. Okay. Doesn't matter to the birds here. We'll choose a place that's not so, how should I say? Maybe right here. I brought some fruit. We're gonna lay this down in a line here. But I will take this video. I'm gonna put it on a USB stick, and I will take it to the police with the continuing harassment of Häfele against the birds. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay? We avoid all of this when I come later. But because of the storm, I want the birds to, the impending storm, I want them to come earlier. So, there we go. Can my life get more miserable than it already is here? Okay? These people do such primitive things. In America, we don't do this. We don't do that. We don't put manure on the fields. Right? It's dangerous. Very dangerous. Okay. Now, we'll walk down here. There we go. There we go. I did it the best way I could. There's actually goji berries in there too. Can I get my bowl? Okay. Now I can make my way back. Oh my God. It is so disgusting. So disgusting. Here's a strip that would have been okay too. Disgusting. You disgusting people. Do you know it's making you sick? Oh my gosh. Hey, Petey. Petey just lost a lot of his home today. Unbelievable. It's very hot. It's about 30 right now. See, the wind is really picking up. It could blow by. or it could be, you know, a hellion storm. So you just don't know. Recently, the storms haven't been that bad. It's just been blowing by. But, you know, that doesn't always happen. So, yeah, I know the car's, oh, I gotta get that tape redone on the sunroof. Our sunroof leaks, and had it tried to repair it 3 times, and nobody could repair it successfully. So, we'll, I noticed they didn't come too close here. I guess it's because of the dogs. Well, nothing on my bag. I'm sure there's something on my shoes. Okay. Put down some more nuts here. Of course, there are a lot of enemies around here today. There's Häfele people. There's the person cleaning the windows at the church. Ooh, the janitor's there. He's always bad. Are all janitors evil? I pose that question. It seems they are here.